Okay, we are driving in this horrible, horrible blizzard. Oh my god! Dude, snow is coming in. Look at this. Let me open this window. Look at this. Oh. Snow is coming in my face. You can't see it on camera, but it's so bad out. Awful.
How fast should we go?
No, don't go fast. It's horrible out right now. There's no one on the roads. It's Super Bowl Sunday.
Here goes.
It's awful.
And these ruts like this, when there are ruts like this, you just stay in them.
I know, but you know what? February 1st, 2015, this is... I mean, you can't see it on camera that there's snow. It is coming down hard. I can see it.
I'll bet you there's 4-foot drifts in some areas.
I know, but
How are you going to turn up here? So you just follow it, tap a little bit.
I know, but it doesn't look like it's bad on camera because the camera can't pick up the snow. But, you know, you can see it a little bit up here.
I think we're going to look around, Cam, for a...
So bad. Look at that. Let's see if we can pick it up. There we go. Yeah, you can see the snow well now. I want to get this on film. Look at the snow. I mean, blizzard, February 1st, 2015. We're driving in this Super Bowl Sunday. I mean, look at this. It's horrible.
There's hills you gotta watch over.
No one
can't accelerate.
No one on the road. Brookfield, Wisconsin. I mean, this is. There's gotta at least be 4 feet of snow on the ground. At least. You open the window and look at this. You can hear it. Look at this. It's horrible.
They said 20 to 33 mile an hour wind.
I know. It's coming right at her.
I'm hitting the brakes right now. How far it's sliding.
I know. This is horrible.
Cars coming real quick.
No. Whoa. Whoa! Holy. No! Oh my god. I almost slid off the road. There's no way I'm having school tomorrow. I can tell you that for sure. Nor even if I do, I'm not going. No way I'm going out in this crap. I mean, this is just so bad. It's getting heavier now.
You're gonna run up the gutter?
Yeah.
I could have gone to Grandma's. I just didn't want to move her around.
Wind is awful. Look at this. Holy God! I gotta walk through the window. The snow is coming in like crazy. mean, look at this. Look, you can't see it, but there's snow everywhere. Look at this. It's that high up. Oh, is it horrible out? But, so yeah. Oh my gosh. Snow. Look at this. It's so bad. Look at this snow here. Oh, I gotta get in. Look at this. This is how deep it is. Okay. Okay, see you guys later. Hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.